Hello Scouts, another episode of Gardening with Mr. Nick. I have a tomato plant that is just way too big. So we're going to make more tomato plants. It is just this easy. You take a piece of your tomato plant and you rip it off. And then you find a place with dirt to plant it. And you take your tomato plant and you break off all but the very top. This one. And we'll take, we'll leave that. And then you take a stick and you stick it in the ground and make a hole. Maybe that deep, maybe deeper. And you take your tomato plant and you shove it in the hole. And you say, "Oh, you're such a good tomato plant." And you water it. And after a few days, it will start to look dead. And then a few days after that, it will start to look alive. And if you do that enough, you'll have 18 or 20 or however many tomato plants you want. This has been another episode of Gardening with Mr. Nick. Go plant something.